There's a huge change in school education. The centre has now scrapped the no detention policy of classes 5 to 8 in schools governed by it allowing them to fail students who do not clear the year-end examinations. Now, according to officials, the notification will be applicable to over 3,000 schools run by the central government. NDTV's Tanushka Datta sent us this report.
The government has made it very clear that they will not be expelling any student until their elementary education is over, which means that even after and even if these students fail their examinations and do not get past the promotion mark criteria in the 5th class as well as the 8th class, they will be given 2 months of coaching and further guidelines as well by the teachers to reappear for the examination. And even after that, if they are unable to clear the re-exam as well, then they will have to repeat the 5th and 8th standards respectively, but they will not be expelled from the school. Now, this came in a gazetted notification by the central government, and it is an amendment to the Right to Education Act. And what we also know of this is that it has been already implemented in 16 states and 2 union territories. However, Haryana and Puducherry are state and a union territory respectively that is yet to get back on the same policy, whether or not they will implement this in their state and union territories.